welcome to my YouTube channel. If you all are new, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe. So this time, as the title suggests, let me all take you to a sneak peek to my personal favorite jewelry collection. Let's go. These are my earring collections and I have each color for my outfit. So let me start off with this is a coral piece gifted by my best friend Priyanka from Mauritius. And this is one of my antique piece. It's been around with me for around 12 to 15 years. And most of my jewelries, they are from Max, Splash, R&B, Sana Fashions. There are more to come. These are mirror work earrings. This is from Meena Bazaar. And this is the most expensive turquoise blue. I purchased this from Algorez Center. It's around 35 dirhams. This is the most expensive earring. These are for 10 dirhams. These are also from Meena Bazaar for 10 dirhams, I believe. Yeah. These are my favorite maroon from R&B, 12 dirham. Most of my earrings are purchased by my hubby from Kerala, from Bombay. So these are from Kerala, few of them. And this, I have memories associated with this particular earring, which is dual color. Like the front is white, and I'll show you. Like see the color here, it's blue. So I can wear it with two different clothing, and I have a pendant which is with my sister as a memory. So I will show you my second batch of earrings. These are like, which I can complete and wear it with the Indian wear with sari, salwar, desi. These are, I believe my earrings cost nothing more than, it wouldn't go about 20 dirhams. It's below 20. These are mostly from Sana Fashions or from Max, you can say. And these are, see, they are very pretty. These is around for 10 dirhams. And I love to wear this with sari. And this is gifted by my sister-in-law from Kuwait. Okay, this is a thread work gifted by one of my students' mother. She loves to make jewelry. So I will, maybe in the next episode, I will show you the chain. It's extremely beautiful. You will. This particular earring, again gifted to me by one of my best friend. This was very long. So what I did is I rectified and amended and broke and made it according to because I don't like long earrings. So I made it short. This is from Splash. And this will go well with jeans and formals, and definitely with blue and black would look awesome. So now I'll show you my third batch of jewelry. This is a black metal which will go beautifully well with black kurtis or colors of your choice, and this is purchased by my hubby from Kerala. And the next earring, this is from Meena Bazaar, 25 dirham for this. It's also so beautifully, it looks very good and everyone has complimented me when I wear this. This is also very pretty from Max. And this goes well with pink, black, plain. Same here. And more of the earring collections inside. This is from Singapore. This is also another for 10 dirham, and this is from Meena Bazaar. Also from Meena Bazaar. This is a terracotta coated painted earring with actually with pendant too, but I will show you the pendant collections in my next episode. This is from Kerala. This is all my husband's collection gift to me. See this too. This earring is very close to my heart. It's given to me by my sister on my birthday. So, and as it is evident, this is from Max too. This is a long collection of earring, and I can actually choose based on my mood and the clothes which I will be wearing. Generally, I wear it all to work. And again, another gift by my brother from Forever 21. So these are very close to my heart. So I hope you like my jewelry collections, which I've been collecting over the years, before marriage and after, still going on. I just so love these earpieces as compared to rings and neck pieces few. My next episode will be about my neck pieces collection, and I hope I'll try to incorporate it with the kind of clothing I wear it to. I'll try once if I am able to. Okay, so well then, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.